Imagine stepping into your hotel, where everything is finely tuned to your guests' needs, from personalized room settings to seamless check-ins. What if you could do this not just for one guest, but for every single one? Welcome to the future of hospitality, powered by AI. In today's video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the hotel industry, enhancing guest satisfaction, streamlining operations, and boosting profitability. Whether you're a hotel owner looking to upgrade your services, or a tech enthusiast eager to see where AI is heading in hospitality, this video is for you. Let's start with one of the most exciting applications, AI-powered bartenders. Imagine a robot that not only serves drinks, but remembers your guests' preferences using facial recognition. Wyndham Hotels, near Disney World, have introduced a robotic bartender that enhances the guest experience while reducing the need for additional staff. Or take IHG's innovation. In collaboration with Google, they've launched an AI-powered travel agent, an intelligent app that helps guests plan their trips, offering tailored recommendations based on their preferences. For hoteliers, this not only improves guest engagement but also increases direct bookings, cutting down third-party commissions. On the guest communication side, platforms like Airbnb are using AI chatbots to provide 24/7 customer support, answer queries, and even detect fraudulent activity. This means enhanced guest satisfaction and security, all while optimizing operational efficiency. So, how else is AI transforming the hospitality industry? For starters, AI-driven room customization is becoming the norm. From adjusting room temperature and lighting to customizing the mattress firmness, AI tailors the room to your guests' preferences. Studies show that 40% of hotel leaders agree that these kinds of smart technologies are essential to meeting modern guest expectations. Then, there's operational optimization. Predictive maintenance is a game-changer. AI can predict equipment failures before they occur, minimizing downtime and reducing repair costs. On top of that, AI-powered robotic cleaners can take over repetitive tasks, allowing your human staff to focus on providing a more personalized experience for your guests. Another key area where AI shines is pricing optimization. With dynamic pricing, AI analyzes demand fluctuations, weather conditions, and local events to adjust room rates in real time. This not only maximizes your revenue but helps you stay competitive in an ever-changing market. Voice-activated devices are also making their way into hotel rooms. Imagine giving your guests the ability to control lights and temperature, and even request services, just by speaking. It's convenient, futuristic, and increasingly in demand, with 70% of guests expressing interest in using voice technology during their stay. AI also plays a significant role in reputation management. With machine learning algorithms, hotels can analyze guest feedback from various platforms like TripAdvisor and Booking.com. AI identifies patterns and provides real-time insights, helping you improve services and tailor your offerings for a better guest experience. AI's impact on marketing is undeniable as well. By analyzing guest data, AI creates hyper-targeted marketing campaigns that not only increase direct bookings but also boost upselling opportunities, all based on your guests' preferences and booking history. As a hotel owner, integrating AI isn't just about automation, it's about providing your guests with the best possible experience while enhancing your operational efficiency. From AI concierge services that handle guest requests instantly, to smart hotel rooms that cater to personal preferences, AI is transforming how guests interact with your brand. And if sustainability is important to you, AI can optimize energy management, reducing energy consumption by adjusting room temperatures based on occupancy and usage. This leads to cost savings while supporting eco-friendly practices, something your guests will appreciate. So, whether you're looking to enhance your guest experience, reduce operational costs, or stay ahead of the competition, AI in hospitality is your key to success. It's not just the future, it's the present. Ready to level up your hotel with AI? Upgrade your hotel with AI solutions. At RichestSoft, we specialize in helping hoteliers implement cutting-edge AI technologies that make a difference. Reach out to us today to learn more. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how AI is shaping the future of hospitality. See you in the next video.